Hello, my name is Darren Stanwood, and I am the Director of Enterprise Development for the Trump Network. The Trump Network is one of the fastest growing direct selling companies in the United States. The company was formerly known as Ideal Health Incorporated, and since the founding of the Trump Network, we have experienced significant growth to the tune of 300%. The company is positioned to be one of the leaders within the industry in the United States, and we are now distributing through a network of independent distributors nationwide. One of the initiatives that the Trump Network management team had decided upon was to ensure that we had the appropriate infrastructure to support this growth. So we had formed an operating group with the task of ensuring we had enough capacity within our existing business model to handle the upcoming growth. And the initiative was named the Trump Network Big Dig. And part of that initiative was a recognition of the need for an ERP system company-wide, along with the implementation in a compressed period of time. One of the core things that we were in need of was a fulfillment solution. Historically, the company did not have an integrated way of talking to accountant and talking to finance, and it was a very labor-intensive, data-redundant process where fulfillment and the department managers would have to send data to each one of our accountants at the end of business every day, and that data staff accountant would essentially have to upload that into a computer system and make sure that all the orders were closed properly and reconciled the day afterwards. So there was a lag time within that process for finance to recognize and have visibility into the organization, and also, of course, there was additional resources that were tasked with just working the data, so to speak. So we recognized that having an integrated fulfillment application, a warehouse management software, was a big decision within the selection criteria, and Lisa was by far the standout out of all of the other solutions. We had evaluated Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains, and that was really weak with that area. So we thought that after evaluating the three vendors, that SAP Business One and Anywhere was the right fit, and primarily because of the people, but most importantly because of the integration with the fulfillment capability. In terms of errors and ship rates, has significantly decreased. We're able to get more packages out the door with less people. I mean, that's important to us. We're able to get more orders out the door with better inventory accuracy. We're experiencing, our marketers, our customers are telling us across the board that they're seeing improvements in outgoing packages, the quality of the outgoing packages, and we believe that Lisa is a critical component to that. One of the most important things, I think, is from a management perspective. We have a director of distribution, Mike Carmody, who is very well rounded in terms of distribution, and from his experience managing several 100,000 square feet of warehouse space, says this is one of the best systems he's ever encountered in his career. He has a 30-plus year career working with very high growth companies, and he says that this is one of the most easy, simple, user-friendly, scalable systems he's had experience with. And from a management perspective, the visibility it provides him and his team to gauge productivity, to gauge inventory accuracy, to gauge production scheduling across the board, he is saying that it's one of the best systems. And my experience with the system has been fantastic also. I think in terms of the integration with SAP, everything is real time. That's important. In a high growth environment, getting a pulse on your business, you can't wait a day. You got to know what's happening now. And that's what this system allows you to do. This system allows you to look under the hood very quickly, get the health of your business, see what's working, what's not working, and make the changes soon and fast before it becomes a problem. Overall, I think our satisfaction with the system is it exceeded our expectations. And like I said earlier, I think the people behind the solution are the real deal. And I think that's you're getting a first-class, world-class system, and I think you're getting world-class people behind it. And when you're going through these types of implementations, there's a saying that ERP implementations are what causes CIOs to get fired. So you want to make sure you have the right team and the right product. I think Anywhere provides both of those, and I think that in terms of Trump Network deciding upon whether or not this was the right system for them, we absolutely agree that it was, and we expect to reap the benefits as the company continues its success and ultimately leveraging the technologies that Enware has provided us to do that as the enabler.